going to show you how to use icon sets in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on conditional formatting, then we click on icon sets, and here we can, I don't know, just use this kind of ratings and select a column with some data in it to format it. So for example, if we have it like this, a few data points, we can use these icon sets, highlight these, and they should work like so, like this. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.